Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for your financial journey. Understanding credit scores, the basics explained. So, grab a snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's level up our financial game together. All right, credit scores, they're like the report cards of the financial world, right? They're those three-digit numbers that range from 300 to 850. And they're all about showing lenders how creditworthy you are. It's like aiming for an A plus in money management. But how the heck are credit scores calculated? I promise it's not as complicated as it sounds. We've got 5 key factors at play, and each one plays a significant role in your overall score. First up is your payment history, probably the most crucial factor. It's all about making those payments on time, every time. Late payments can bring your score down faster than you can say financial oops. Next, we've got credit utilization. It's a fancy term for how much of your available credit you're using. Keep that ratio low, we're talking around 30% or lower, and watch your score soar. Then there's the length of your credit history. It's like the more experience you have, the better it looks. So, keep those accounts open and don't close them unless you really have to. Now let's talk about the types of credit you have. Having a mix of credit like credit cards, loans, and maybe even a mortgage shows you can handle different kinds of financial responsibilities. Credit diversity is the name of the game. Lastly, we've got new credit inquiries. When you apply for new credit, it can impact your score temporarily. So be mindful and avoid opening a bunch of accounts all at once. Now, why should you care about credit scores? Oh, let me tell you, a good credit score is like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal. It's the key to unlocking awesome opportunities. With a high credit score, you'll get lower interest rates on loans, which means you save big bucks in the long run. Plus, you'll get approved for that dream apartment without any hassle, and credit card companies will shower you with sweet rewards. On the flip side, a low credit score can be a bit of a buzzkill. It might lead to higher interest rates, loan rejections, and a not-so-happy financial journey. But fear not, we've got ways to fix that. So if you want to boost that credit score, here are some epic tips for you. First, make those payments on time. It's a simple yet game-changing move. Next, keep those credit card balances in check. High balances can hurt your score, so aim to keep it low. And hey, resist the urge to open a bunch of new credit accounts all at once. Each new inquiry can impact your score, so be smart about your credit pursuits. Oh, and one more thing, checking your credit report is a must. You can get a free report each year, so there's no excuse to skip it. It's like keeping tabs on your financial progress. Super important. All right, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this info helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the squad. And as always, let me know in the comments what other financial topics you want to dive into. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay financially savvy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.